What's up, everybody? Welcome to Trader's Choice Crypto and Precious Metals, where we dive into both asset classes. My name is Kian, and if you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed and make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. I'm going to do a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. Big thanks for everybody's support. We did hit over 2,000 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate every single one of you. We have Bitcoin as our first headline. We're going to get into some precious metals, and then we're going to wrap it up with a gem of the week. We had Bitcoin revisiting 50K. We had a little bit of a pullback, but I have many reasons to believe that it will surpass 50K. One of them being major adoption by big companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Walmart. These guys are looking to integrate cryptocurrency payments into their platforms, which is hugely bullish. Let's go on the other side of the spectrum too. Let's just say regulations. Let's talk about regulations for a second. The SEC and Gary Gensler actually have a very favorable view of Bitcoin as opposed to the rest of the cryptocurrencies, which Gary deems to be as securities. He sees Bitcoin as the one true financial innovation, peer-to-peer exchange of value. And so that's on that spectrum. So even on the regulatory end, which is kind of scary, it is actually good. We had the Fed. They are not going to raise rates. This is massively positive for the crypto markets as well. And institutions are piling in. For example, let's talk about JP Morgan. JP Morgan and Wells Fargo just filed to set up a Bitcoin trust. And a lot of these big institutions and banks have wealthy clients wanting to gain direct exposure to cryptocurrencies. All of these things have me to believe that we will easily hit 50K and go beyond it. My prediction is October. We might see some volatility with things like the infrastructure bill specifically in the crypto markets, not necessarily the stock markets. We might see some volatility with that since it has that weird language and it does target cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies are getting closer and closer to being under the rule and guide of the SEC. We might see some volatility in September, but by October, I do believe we are going to be reaching brand new all-time highs. Some cryptocurrencies have already done it. I'm a huge BTC bull as well. I believe if there was one crypto to get exposure to, of course, this is not financial advice, this is my opinion, and for education only, it would be Bitcoin. So that's about it for Bitcoin. Let us move forward to the opposite of digital gold, and I'm talking about real gold and real silver. We had gold as of the time of recording this video. Gold is sitting a little above 18, silver at 24, platinum over 1K. We had a nice little rally at the end of the week. Beautiful. Let's see if it holds up during the weekend, because past couple of weeks we've been seeing some monkey hammering going on. During the weekends, usually we see some sort of pullback when it comes to precious metals. Finally, guys, we're going to wrap it up with a gem of the week. And this gem is called Aurus.io. As you guys know, I am a big fan of bringing both asset classes together. Why? Not just because I'm bullish on them, but also because they are anti-debt units. This is a game we are playing, and I want to have information that can get your back covered and my back covered as well, because ultimately, me and you, we're in this together. It's that simple. And when it comes to this gem, it is a combination of both cryptocurrencies and precious metals. I talked about something on my channel. I have these segments called high noon reports. They're special reports basically casting the future vision of this technological renaissance that we are entering. So I would really recommend watching that as well for a more in-depth look into what tokenization is and how it could completely revolutionize the business world. I will leave a link to that video below. Please do check it out and subscribe to my channel as well. The gem of the week is Auris.io. It is basically a gold-backed token collateralized by and redeemable for 1 gram of 99.99% LMBA accredited gold, like certified gold. And not like the paper derivatives. Like these are tokens, digital assets that are actually backed by the real thing. And like I said, this is a concept called tokenization, and I believe it'll be so much more prevalent in the world today. And I would highly recommend watching the video that I leave below, because with tokenization, you can link real world assets to cryptocurrencies. And let's say something happened to those real world assets, that token and its underlying value will not change. If you know, hypothetically, there's a bank robbery and the gold bars are stolen in which this token is backed by, that token will still be worth whatever you paid for the price of gold, and it is tradable. So it's actually backed by real gold. And that is the end of the video for this week, guys. Please make sure you hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and gained some sort of value. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I will leave a link in the description below for my YouTube, as well as a link, like it's kind of like a link in the bio. It's called solo.to. I've mentioned it a couple of times. This is all my social media platforms and some of my other work that I do post on there. And I do ask you guys to check that out and give me a follow on my other socials as well if you feel like doing so. And I will see you guys either on my channel this upcoming week for your midweek crypto update and some other content as well, or next week here again on Greg's channel. Sending you guys so much love, and thank you once again for all your support. And I will see you guys very soon. You guys take care and be blessed.